Today we've got the third coin under analysis at the moment, TRX USD on daily chart. So early December broke out to 45 cents and fell back, been consolidating along this downtrend line, support that used to be resistance and broke there. It's now popping its head above that downtrend line. Nice green bar here, and that's a buy. You put a stop loss under here, 21.3, and you target at least up here, 32.07, and just wait for price action. And when it gets there, might keep going. If it gets around there and then starts hovering around and going down, then sell, take profits, otherwise let it run. Alright, if you've got any other coins you want us to take a look at, let me know.